Taking a look at this application here called Game Booster, Fire Graphics, Lockfix. So, quick review, stay tuned. It's here, very simple layout. At the bottom here is the game launcher. Pretty much go here to pretty much add your games. Here you can see all apps. My device, if I go in the game section, games only, it will be showing games only in this section. So all I have to do is just go ahead, add a game. So let's say this is your game, the X3 VPN here. I'm going to enable that there. And once you're open the game application, it will automatically boost your device to make sure there's no lag when you're going to play it. Also, you have the graphics tool as well, which improves the device gaming capabilities, pretty much hiding the graphics settings. But this doesn't work for all types of games, so keep that in mind. So that's pretty much it for that. There you have at the top here where you can go and get your premium subscription, where there's no ads and some other features as well. Here you have a monthly subscription and a 12-month subscription. So do comment below and let me know if this one has worked for you. And if there's any problem, let me know as well, see if I can help you out. Anyways, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.